base, Yarmer Yager base, and Brandon Prost base. Not too shabby. Oh, there's a Canuck. Danny Heatley base, Matt Martin base, Kyle Clifford base. Oh, that's pretty cool. 1960s hockey heroes. Alex Delekchiov. Don't know what that is, but I'm gonna put it in the hit pile because it's pretty cool. Hey, look at that Dan Hamius. Really cool card. It's pretty cool, actually. I like it a lot. A lot of these cards are Canucks, actually. Old Raffi Torres and Alex Edler in this. Raffi Torres base. Johnny Malkin base. Oh, shoot. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Put that here. Put that here. And Johnny Malkin base and Mason Raymond base. Nice pack there. Sheldon Souray base, Nick Spaulding base, Ryan Smith base. Oh, look at that, another one of those weird texture cards. Dan Boyle, weird texture card. Another Victory, Evgeny Nabokov, Maxim Talbot base, Olli Jokinen base, and Thomas Holmstrom base. Matthew Garon base, Braden Shen base, Steve Sullivan base. Ooh, MVP. It's not an auto card, but I like these MVPs. John Michael Lyles MVP base. I like that a lot. Put that there because I like it. Andre Pavlik base. Craig Anderson base, Nick Antropov base, and Anze Kopitar base. Okay. Alexander Burmistrov base, Jussi Jokinen base, Manny Malhotra base. Oh, look at that. Zach Kassian rookie. Not too bad, but it's peachy. Still keep it nice because I like Zach Kassian. Put that in the hit pile. No, why not? Tyler Bozak base. Nicholas Brager base. Ben Ferraro base. And Nino Niederman. Whatever his name is. Base pack. Down to the last 2 packs, guys. Kevin Bieksa base, Ray Emery base, Milan Hajduk base, Daniel Payroll base. Oh, look at that. Huh. Bill Sweat. That's funny. Young Guns. Lucas Spisa base, Milan Mikalik base, and Daniel Zubras base. Not too bad. Last pack, guys. Get your fingers crossed. Jim Slater base, Jan Jaguar base, Alex Burrows base, Jonas Gustafsson, base. Whatever, another victory. Andy McDonald, base. Devin Setoguchi, base. And Matt Moulson, base. Just another base pack. Well, let's just have a recap of the sort of hits we got in this. Nice Young Guns Bill Sweat. Rookie card, O-Pee-Chee, Zach Kassian. MVP, not really, it's a base, I like it though. This weird Dan Boyle card. This 1960 Hockey Heroes. Young Guns again. Another weird Daniel Alfredson card. And another Young Guns. So not too bad. Just before I go, I'd like to show you guys just a recap of my mail day that I got a little while ago. I just never got to make a video. Just give me a second, guys. One second. I don't know where I put my box. Alright. Well, never mind about that. Well, I'd just like to shout out then to my boys JJ, Allards, Chalent, Zalman, who else is out there? I'd like to shout out. Well,